In order to set a photo as a wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy A17, then first of all we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings we can scroll down a little bit in order to find Wallpaper and Style. Next we can go to Change Wallpapers, and here we have Gallery, where we can choose one of these options in order to pick your photo. You can also tap on this arrow over here on the right side in order to proceed to the gallery. And now we can select the photo that you wish to set for the home screen and lock screen, for example. So let's say I'm going to choose this one over here. After selecting, I can press done in the top right corner. And then we can choose if we want to set it for the lock screen, home screen, or both. I'm going to choose for both, so let's go ahead and press next. Then we can zoom in, zoom out, and adjust the photo to see how it looks like. In the home screen, for example, you can switch here at the bottom to home or go back to the lock screen. And besides that, at the bottom we have some additional tools that you can use. We have different effects that we can apply. And also, if we go back, we have a frame that you can also use, and so much more. So be sure to check that out. You can pick your own color and so on. There is also suggestions, so you can try to use one of these suggestions if you like them. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. We have customization for the lock screen. And yeah, so once you are done with the customization of the wallpaper, we can press done in the top right corner in order to apply it. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.